Coming up at 9:45, the market services PMI 46.5 expected for June.
So 35.75 filled short. Target is 33. Secondary target is going to be down at 27.28 actually. Also have a potential long setting up on the NASDAQ. I need at least a bear bar. All right, looking at 10,191 on the NASDAQ for a potential long. Ugh. Did not get filled on the NASDAQ. All right. Given the heavy rallying that's going on the indexes, I am going to, if I start seeing this really get more upward momentum here, I'm going to narrow down a little bit further and reduce risk. All right. I'm reducing risk a little bit to 38. I'm going to go to 39. 38.75. If they start breaching above that, I'm just going to lose interest up to 39. We're seeing all of the other markets starting to really take off, and it's just not worth floating the full risk anymore. There's too many counterproductive measures that are going on. But because I am reducing my risk, I don't want to reduce my targets. I want to try to hold on to wider targets if the market does want to rotate down. So I'll still look for the wider targets. That's fine, but I am going to reduce my risk.
Filing says currently evaluating options to regain compliance with NASDAQ minimum stockholders equity requirement. That's India Michael Tango Echo IMTE.
Come on, S&P. There we go. Now you just got to keep going. I'm going to bump up to 33 on that one.
FFHL, Fuway Films halted on a circuit breaker at the high, intraday high, $7.43 on Foxtrot Hotel Lima.
All right, I'm going to reduce the risk further. Actually, I still like it at 39. There's a potential that they dick with that high on 38 and trap it. We have market PMI in 1 minute as well, so you're going into news. Another reason why I'm reducing my risk. And just because the market can move very quickly, I'm going to make sure to have a stop ready in case I have to move it to break even. And if it shoots up, then my stop is there. And if it shoots down and grabs a target, I'm ready to go to break even on the last.
United are down 97%.
30 seconds.
April and May combined, which impacts cash inflows. Ten seconds. I'll lead with manufacturing. $49.6 manufacturing, that's above expectations. Services 46.7, a slight beat on that as well.
Push, yes. 33.
Going over that again. Manufacturing 49.6, just beating the expected 48 and up from the prior 39.
Market services PMI 46.7, market composite PMI 46.8.
On the expected 46.5 and up from the prior 37.5.
Again, the market services PMI for June 46.7 versus 46.5 expected.
And looking at some of the components, manufacturing new orders at 49.5. That's up from prior 34.6. That's positive on the forward-looking new orders for manufacturing. And in services, new business for June in services at 48.7, up from.
All right, if it goes bull engulfing, I'm most certainly not interested. But if it doesn't go bull engulfing, then I'll lift it back up again. Wait, I don't want 4 there. There you go. All right, did not go bull engulfing.
Unexpected expectations generally for the market PMIs does echo that as we've seen across the pond in the Eurozone. As we do begin to see fusion indexes pick up as sentiment does too. Just seen comments from Bayer, or rather from sources. Bayer set to agree glyphosate settlement this week, where details, including overall settlement amount, yet to be hammered out in the final stage of talks between Bayer and the plaintiff's lawyers.
The NASDAQ is pushing higher. However, none of the other markets are really showing that sentiment yet.
FFHL, Full-Wave Films, reopening, hitting, moving over the $8 level. That's Foxtrot Hotel Lima, FFHL.
Still waiting, S&P. Come on. This is the chance. Let's go.
President Rouhani says Iran will not surrender with sanctions and pressure. Comments from Iran.
I'm not interested if it breaks above that bear bar. It didn't trigger below the bear bar, though. So going above the bear bar first could be a trap. I need to see it go down first before I move my stop. I need to see it break below 34. Otherwise, moving your stop early could potentially just be handing your contracts over to someone who is more than willing to take them off your hands.
LTRPA, Liberty TripAdvisor, August 2.5 call.
Come on, S&P, push the freaking bottom.
Full-Wave Films spiking now 874.
Go!
Foxtrot Hotel Lima.
Nice bear bar. Target filled. There we go. Now go, S&P. Go, 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 go. Stop is above the most recent candle if they can keep going. Next target, 28. Keep trucking, S&P. We got some runners to try to grab. Let's go. Nah, screw the final one. I'm just going to trail. We'll see how much we can bag on this next one. Stop is in, 34.75. Stop is in 33. Okay, it just popped right back up again.
Laboratories to monitor health of pedestrians.
I was trying to reduce down so that my target on my stop was the same as my other one. If you've got multiple contracts still left, though, then you're looking for the next objective back through the lows. I was only able to jump in with 3 because the risk was a little bit wider. Nice trade, though. Beautiful move.